Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX.com, bringing you yet another video in my day trading series. Today we have the euro dollar. It's 12th of March. The morning has begun. We've had this little push down. I do have my eye on something on the daily chart, and I do believe we're going to have a lot of buying today. So I'm going to prepare for that using the Zone Trade Manager, as I do have a busy day. Clearly this area here has not been the place for the higher low that I was looking for, and so I'm just going to now use the next area. Now I do not want it to break that low, otherwise it will just void what I'm seeing, and really anywhere from where it is now onwards is going to be a great place for that higher low. I'm just going to rename that to be recognized by the Zone Trade Manager. And now those of you that have been following my day trading series videos, you'll know what kinds of entry triggers I'm using, and those are all pre-programmed into the Zone Trade Manager. So if I get a buy entry trigger out of this area, the trade will be taken, and then as it enters I will be emailed so I can come back and I'll get back to the video then. Or if price comes down and crosses the bottom of this box, then the box will remove itself, and of course that trade won't even be something I'll be looking for anymore. So I'll pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has been entered a little further up than I would have liked, but you know, that's the name of the game sometimes. I'm now going to just make a few adjustments because I am expecting this to be quite a good trade. And so what I'm going to do is just target up into this area here, and if I don't quite get there, then you know, somewhere in here, if we react really hard here, then I wouldn't want to lose the trade. So I'll just place my safety net there. It's called a lock profit trigger, and I can tighten up the stop loss a little bit. The trade manager has placed everything in a very safe fashion, but I'm making the adjustments now based on the type of trade I'm expecting. So as I say, this is something I'm looking at on the daily chart. We've had this big version of a 3-point turn that I'm expecting to complete on that brown line level, and so I've used the black patterns to get into it, a little bit of momentum, and I'm expecting the higher high, definitely up into this area at least. Be worth having a look at this point in time to see how the market has arrived there. Otherwise it'll just go to take profit. And at this point in time, when I come back and check here, if the market has chosen a long path to getting there, then of course that'll be a great place to take profit anyway. So I'll pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has actually just gone straight to take profit before I could even react to the email that triggered at the lock profit area, which as you remember was right here. The trade has gone straight to take profit, so there's actually nothing more to do. You know, we went straight there, so can't complain about that. At this point, you know, the idea of what I'm seeing on the daily chart is becoming more and more of a confirmed reality. So the next trade on the euro for me is going to be a pullback and a buy, and to just go with this one again. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and do stay tuned for more.